Welcome everybody. We're here at the All-Star Movies Resort. We're going into the Fantasia Pool today. Once again, the All-Star Movies, not the Art of Animation, All-Star Music, or All-Star Sports. The All-Star Movies. Now, this is probably my favorite pool at this resort, just because it has the Fantasia Mickey spraying down the water on you. This is a very big pool, sometimes deeper than other spots. Like over here, it's 5 foot at the drain. So it can get quite deep. Very nice. Like, I'm gonna try focusing on the Mickey more once we get over here past this lifeguard. The Mickey's very beautiful. I just can't get over it. Who doesn't want to have that in a pool in Disney and swim in this? Beautiful light blue water. I love it.
Wow.
And once again, the lifeguards are here to keep you safe. Let's get a behind shot of Mickey. Over here, got Mickey up on the rock, and he's spraying the water down on us. Yay. The wind just splashed it in my face. A couple minutes ago, like 15 minutes ago, the pool was closed due to storms in the area. It was thundering and lightning and a little bit of drizzle, but not much. So they had to close the pool down, but now it's back and open. Now we have the end of this pool tour. Once again, this is the Art of Animation. If we can say the resort names correctly, I'm happy. This is the All-Star Movies Resort Fantasia Pool. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.